Welcome to PartsHnC. Today's video will show you how to replace the blower motor wheel on a York furnace or air handler, a key step in restoring proper airflow and reducing noise. The blower motor wheel moves air through the system, ensuring efficient heating and cooling throughout the home. Turn off the furnace power at the circuit breaker. This is crucial for safety. Double-check that the unit is off using a non-contact voltage tester. Using a screwdriver or nut driver, remove the front access panel of your York unit to reveal the blower compartment. Locate the blower assembly, usually secured by mounting screws and a wiring harness. Disconnect the wiring harness and unbolt the entire blower assembly from the furnace. With the assembly on a flat surface, remove the screws or brackets holding the motor in place. The blower wheel is attached to the motor shaft via a set screw. Loosen the set screw on the hub of the blower wheel using a hex key or Allen wrench. Carefully slide the wheel off the motor shaft. If it's stuck, gently use a puller tool. Slide the new blower wheel onto the motor shaft, ensuring it's positioned the same distance from the motor body as the original. Tighten the set screw securely. Be sure the wheel spins freely and isn't rubbing the housing. Reinstall the motor in the housing, reconnect wires, and place the blower back into the furnace. Reattach the panel and restore power. Turn on the system and listen for smooth, quiet operation. Do you need the right blower wheel for your York system? Visit PartsHnC for genuine HVAC parts that match your unit and restore your airflow.